Did I miss anything else? Oh, okay. So here it is. Okay, so hello. In this video, I will be unboxing WayV's 2022 Seasons Greetings. Yeah, that's what it is. So, I bought this sealed for around 1,800 pesos, which is like more than $30. Yeah, and I know it's a bit it's a lot late for this since we're in the latter part of 2022, but I just had to have one because the 2023 Seasons Greetings are out for pre-order, and yeah, it was just so beautiful. But I really like WayV's pilot concept. That's why I need to have one sealed, and I've actually been wanting to buy this, but yeah, I wasn't able to buy it before since I didn't have any budget for it. But now I kind of like impulse bought this one. So yeah, okay, for the freebies, the Shopee says that I have a POB, but kind of confusing how my POB is EXO. So this is DO, right? I mean, of course, for a WayV SG, you're expecting WayV, but no complaints because I love EXO as well. Just odd that it's another group. So that was DO7. I think the backs are all the same, so I'm not gonna show the rest. Kai and Chen. So yeah, there are only 4. And I'm happy because I got my biases. Although I also like Dio and Chen. So yeah, that's for the POBs, and I got this free sticker. And I hope that in my own unboxing I didn't miss any other freebies because it was so unruly. It was so difficult because there were layers and layers of bubble wrap. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. I still have the plastic on, and as you can see, the plastic's like terrible already. So I wonder if I get to keep this with this kind of plastic. But yeah, yeah, I wanted to unbox this fresh, so yeah, I didn't take it off. I'm hoping I won't cut anything important with the cutter, like the Outbox, because I want this in pristine condition since it's just part of the collection. Yeah. I actually also want to buy the other ones, the other units, Seasons Greetings, but these are so expensive. So if I had to choose one, I had to buy WayV's Pilot because the Pilot concept, they rock so much. Like, it's the best. Okay, there. So yeah, hope it didn't ruin anything. I just don't know where I'd keep this though, but I bought it anyway. So yeah, there we have it. Okay, so this is the Outbox. Sorry for the light. Yeah, WayV 2022 Seasons Greetings. I always love how their logo is very distinct, very on brand. So like, really, it serves its purpose that when you see this logo V with stripes, you know it's Wasian V. Okay. That's for the front. Then for the top, as you saw earlier, and then the side. So parts of the V are on the side. Okay. And then the bottom. And then the other side. And then the back. Ah, it's so heavy. Yeah, WayV Airlines. Let's zoom into the details. Okay, I'll try to like have it zoomed in. Let's do. Okay, carry it with one hand. It's so heavy. Oh, okay, so we have Thai, Korean, and I hope this is English because not sure if you can see it well. Some entertainment, reserves intellectual property rights, yada yada yada, and also in Chinese, of course. And then here we have the logo for WayV Airlines. I love how the WayV Airlines was first seen in Lolo's MV, so I guess they just continued the concept. So yeah, it was pretty genius of them. Okay, that took like 6 minutes and it's just the outside. I'm gonna speed up the unboxing, the actual unboxing, because yeah. So, okay, let's open it. Ah, it's so heavy. Yeah, okay. So the inside, nothing really, just yellow-ish, gold-ish inside, and then we have WayV Airlines. So I think this is the desk calendar. Oh, I ripped it. Is that supposed to happen? How do I like turn it like this? Oh, I guess you're really supposed to have it ripped. Sorry, it's my first time buying an SG. These are so expensive actually. I'm gonna show you the details first. So WayV Airlines, season's greetings. I guess that's a speed. This looks like an altimeter. Yeah, the altitude and stuff. Yeah, see? I wonder what actual pilots would think of this. Sadly, I don't think a lot of pilots are K-pop fans. And I don't have any pilot friends to ask. Okay, so which one do we get first? Okay, so they are in individual plastics. Okay, let's check it later. I think I'm gonna show the bigger ones first before the photo cards, because everyone loves the photo cards. But I love the whole thing, just that I couldn't afford it at that time. Oh, okay, this is the calendar. So this is just like the Outbox, just so everything's in place and stuff. So yeah. So I'm very excited for the 2023 season's greetings. I actually pre-ordered, haven't really paid yet. But yeah, I will as soon as I get my salary. Oh my god, I should have gotten this sooner. I used to collect Starbucks planners. Now I'm collecting seasons readings. It's yeah, the stickers. I'm gonna so hard. Okay. Yeah, there are two. Okay, that's the bottom of the Outbox. So let's like oh, I think this is a poster. Folded poster. Are what happened? Or they're just blank? Yes, they're posters. Oh my god, this looks so good. So good. So this is like a poster calendar thing. So I'm not gonna show the dates anymore. But yeah. And then this for the second one. Oxygen. Oh god, I wish I have a room to put this up. As well as for the 2023 seasons readings. So yeah, I'll put them back in the plastic later. And then stowing that away, and yeah, let's clear the area. Okay, next we have like poster, sorry, giant postcards, A5 postcards. Is that the size? I'm not well versed with paper sizes, honestly. I can't believe I'm already 12 minutes in and I just opened the second item. So yeah. Okay, of course we have Kun first, since he's the leader. I don't think there's anything at the back, so I'm not gonna show the backs anymore, but yeah, this is made out of really nice paper, postcards. And then, of course, Pilot Kun. I love how they have the pilot concept because we all know Kun can actually fly a plane by himself. Well, maybe not by himself, but he can fly a plane. And then, of course, 10. I'm actually very amused that they got to take the season's readings photos, even though 10 and Winwin were away in China. You can actually see how obvious it is because they have darker backgrounds as compared to the rest of WayV. Okay, let's look for someone else. See, or maybe it's the editing, but I do think that they did this in China because for the content they were in a television. They were broadcasted on television, so they didn't like have the content with each other. So yeah, of course we have Win-Win. And then Xiaojun. Okay, I don't like these postcards. They're too big. I mean, I don't like the size. They're just too big. It's kind of hard to flip them one by one. And they're rectangular. And then Hendery. Yeah, whoever gave them this concept was a genius. And then Yang Yang. I love Yang Yang's white or platinum blonde hair. It suits him so well. So well. Okay, that's it for the postcards. Gigantic postcards. Very heavy. What did I get next? I'm so confused because there's a lot of stuff. Okay, for the stickers, have to zoom in for the sticker, so that's what it looks like. And then a lot of it is in either Chinese or Korean. Wait, it's mostly Chinese and some English from 10, and the rest okay. I'm not gonna read everything one by one, aside from the fact that I'm not fluent in Chinese. Yeah, that's the stickers. Wait, let me check if there's something at the back of the stickers, like if there are 2 sheets. Oh yeah, this is different. Sorry, I didn't like check how much content the season's greetings have. Sorry about that. Someone came in. Okay. Let me check inside if there are more of these, but I think there are only 2. Oh, no. Come on. Doesn't want to come out. What? Won't budge. Ta-da. Okay, 1. Come on. So, yeah. What? I don't understand why it doesn't want to come out. So there we go. That's what it looks like. And then next, I think the next one is the diary. I actually find it sad that, people break the content, the items, the inclusions into sets, into member sets, and almost nobody buys all the other stuff like the calendar and the diary. But I think the diary is one of the more useful ones, so since I'm planning on getting the 2023 season's readings, I'm planning on using that as a diary or a journal. Like, those bullet journal things. So I hope I get to keep it up, and I do get the 2023 season's readings. So, there's the front, there's the back, the side, so diary, and of course the review label. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And then the top, the side, the bottom, and then I'm just gonna flip through the pages real quick. Not gonna zoom in to anything anymore. Okay, so we have 2022 calendar. Okay. So matte. The paper is made of matte. So yeah, you see how Win-Win is always like far away. It's because he's not in Korea, or maybe Ten was in Korea when they took the photos, but I'm pretty sure Win-Win was in China. That's why he's always so far away. Okay. January, Quinn's birthday, debut anniversary. Oh, wait, still January, but oh, that's nice. It's a weekly page. And then we have Ten's birthday. So we have a monthly page and then a weekly page. I hope I get the same layout for the 2023 one. Wait, yeah, nothing happened in April. Hoping I didn't miss any pages. Okay, so I'm good for... Okay, August, children's birthday. And then September, Henry's birthday. And then for October, Yang Yang and Win-Win's birthday. Oh, we don't have much pictures in the latter part of the year. Okay. So I might use the what's left over of November and December. I don't think anyone's gonna buy it anyway, because if I decide to sell it, because it's a diary. Flight WayV 2022 seat VO117 is their debut date, and gate 1, boarding time 1:17. Okay, next we have I think the calendar came last. So the desk calendar, so you like prop it up like so. There's pictures in the back. So the same, we have members' birthdays. And it's nice how Kun and Ten are January and February. Not sure if they repeated any pictures here, so August, partial June. And then September for Hungary. Yan for October. Oh, wait, it's done. Okay, so credits. Okay. And then we have this brochure. It's similar to the front of like the cover inside the Outbox, except that was in white and this is in blue. Also they have signatures, okay, and messages which I can't read because I can read Chinese well. Oh, okay. The pairings. Kunan Shaojun. Tenan Yang. Win-win and Henry. Okay, and then next we have this one. Not sure what. Oh, okay, postcards have the. So yeah. This is like the back. It just says some entertainment. Okay, so no more label V. Oh, this looks like a passport. Okay. So let's open it. Okay, nothing else inside. Should I zoom in? I should. Okay, this is the back. I think the backs would be the same, so I'm not gonna show the rest. I almost did this, but it's actually like this. Because they each have a portrait and a landscape. Wait, okay. I don't even know anymore. No. Okay. Baby had milk. Okay. And then next we have okay, we're almost there. So first I'll show you the boarding pass. Okay, so that's the back and this is the front. You can actually put your name if you want to. You can tear this off, but I won't. And then no, not that one, not that one. This one. No! It tore through the plastic. Fine. So, the actual passport. Okay. Not paper. Okay, let's check out the stamps. So I guess you can stamp on the blank pages if you want to. Okay, and then for the one we've been waiting for, photo cards. So this is what the back looks like. Okay, so first we have, how do I look? Okay, I hope this is clear enough. These are the pilot ID cards. And then put all his names, even in Japanese. Wait, this is wrong. He mixed up katakana and kanji. And then name. Shoujin. Mandarin. That's it. Thank you for watching.